I'm Eugene Yarborough, and others on the committee asked ranchers from all over the state to loan them cattle for the drive. One of the most famous was Flossie Bell, who was the only cow from the first drive who would be making this one at the ripe old age of 22. This type of cattle, known as cracker cattle, have been in Florida for almost 500 years, and they're well adjusted to the climate. For centuries, cracker cattle have wandered through scrub not too different from what exists here today. But cattle didn't always exist in Florida. So how did they get here? Flossie Bell's ancestors first arrived in the Americas from Spain.
The native cattle of Spain is known as Iberian cattle. And to this day, there are several breeds that still exist. If you look them up, out of those breeds, there's about 10 of them, of the Iberian cows, that are dead ringers for a cracker cow. They look the same.
Upon settling in Florida, Spanish colonizers started bringing cattle and other livestock over.
The first cattle, the first horses, the first hogs, sheep, goats came to Florida in 1521 on the second voyage of Ponce de Leon down around Charlotte Harbor. Oral tradition that from that day, 1521, to this, cattle roamed wild in the state of Florida, way ahead of any other state you'd care to name.